if you're doing not only bug bounty hunting but web penetration testing, let's look at a few resources. If you are into bug bounty hunting, for example, you want to look into the reports and into the activity at HackerOne, for example, you can go and read reports of valid submissions, of valid bug bounty submissions. You can also look into pentester.land for bug bounty write-ups in 2020. You can also go to medium.com, look into Medium InfoSec write-ups, something like that. Bug bounty write-up. Look, this is interesting. This is related to Frida, for example, maybe. Or maybe it's added to Frida. Getting back to the resources, you can read these. Read bug bounty write-ups. Follow OWASP's mobile security or web security testing guide, depending on which aspect you're focusing on. These are top-level resources and they are free. The write-ups are also free. Activity is also free. Portswigger Academy is also free. What I'm interested in, let's say information disclosure, they only have 5 labs. View all learning materials. Information disclosure. They're kind of thin when it comes to information disclosure, but access controls, this is interesting. Yeah, so I would personally be interested in access controls and privilege escalation. And if we look into OWASP's web security, we have authorization testing and business logic. If you're more to the technical side of things, and if you're not a beginner, if you're kind of intermediate level, one of the best tools that you can use for bug bounty hunting is the developer tools. Level up your skills in bug bounty hunting and penetration testing with my course, Recon in Cybersecurity, and master the fascinating world of reconnaissance. Link below.